Invited our chief guest, Chandrakant Kumar Singh ji, Sri Saurabh Tripathi ji, coming from background of police to the academic building. Our guest of honor, Inspector General of Police, Tripura, Sudipto Das ji, our registrar Sumanto, and our controller of examination, Jyoti Prasad ji, the students of Nalanda, Bihar, our faculties, ladies and gentlemen. At the very outset, I extend heartiest thanks that today we have three important personalities. One, we have with us the chief guest from the background of the indigenous community of Tripura, under the name of whom this university belongs to, Maharaja Bir Bikram University. We are organizing the 6th Foundation Day. We have with us Saurabh Tripathi ji, who is handling the law and order situation of this state. Being an academic, working in the field of law and order situation is a big challenge. But using the knowledge for the law and order, I think this is the best exercise. We use knowledge for research. When the knowledge is used for maintaining law and order, I think there is 100% unity. There will be no lapses in true sense of the term. And we have with us Mr. Saurabh Tripathi, and who has spoken in a right way what the academic term administrator can do for the society. We have with us the students from Nalanda, Bihar. Yesterday we have organized today's national seminar on Buddhism and Sanatana Dharma, their relevance in the Northeast India. And when we talk about relevance, the relevance is reflected that we have with us a gathering of the students of Tripura as well as the students of Nalanda, Bihar on the occasion of 6th Foundation Day of Maharaja Bir Bikram University. It is a true sense of relevance. The religion has merged in the form of one unified family. We call it Maharaja Bir Bikram University. This 6th Foundation Day is very much important because our registrar has just said that it is a very small university having 4 departments. The journey started with that 4 departments, but in a short time, despite the fact we have a limitation, but our dream never compromises with the limitation that we have, and that is the beauty that the MBB University always thinks for. Because if you look into the motto of this university, and that is very much important, the motto of this university is idea. The university stands for the idea. Idea जहाँ जन्म लेती है उसका नाम है विश्वविद्यालय. और when you talk about the idea, certainly idea makes a difference in your lifestyle. If you have an idea, and if the idea can be given outlet with a very powerful instrument that every human being has, that is the imagination, kalpana. If you can imagine, Sumanto Chakrabarti was talking about dream. हर आदमी, आप लोग यंग आदमी हो, सपना देखना आपका काम है. सपना देखना चाहिए. और यूनिवर्सिटी एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन है जहाँ पर आइडिया डेवलप होती है. यहाँ सपना देखे जाते हैं. इमेजिनेशन, you can imagine, and imagination has no limit. सपना का कोई लिमिट नहीं होता है. Sky is the limit. जितना सोचेंगे उतना आप आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. That imagination, the youth of this university, they should have that kind of imagination. Your idea should go up and up, and there should not be limit. Once the idea is up, you know the makes the boundary, I think you have become the animal. You are a man only because your idea got the unlimited way of enhancement. अगर आपके आइडिया इमेजिनेशन में कन्वर्ट नहीं होती है, आप मानव नहीं हैं. That is the beauty. Idea must go up and up. Imagination is the tool of idea. You have to expand your idea. And again, when you talk about, this is the second, you know, the objective our university has, idea and imagination. This university gives the methodology, the ways and means how your idea can be get away, can go up and down. That is the innovation. Innovative practices. We make a mechanism in the university how your idea can touch the boundary of the sky, and that innovative approach we inspire, we inculcate among our students. They must make some sorts of methodology, some ways and means, so that you can reach the target that you have imagined. So that innovation, innovative practices that must start in the campus of the university. These are the objectives. And on the occasion of this 6th Foundation Day, I do feel our students of this university, the researchers, the faculties, they must remember the motto the university has set forth. हम लोगों को भूलना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस उद्देश्य के लिए यूनिवर्सिटी काम करती है, जो उद्देश्य है इमेजिनेशन, आइडिया और इनोवेशन, अगर यह जर्नी अगर समाप्त हो गई है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत है, तो निश्चित ही आज के दिन हम उसको याद करें और उसको पूरा करने की कोशिश करें. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू कि रिमेम्बरिंग महाराजा वीर विक्रम किशोर माणिक्य, यू नो this university and this state has been a princely state like other princely kingdom. और राजाओं का यह राज रहा है, लेकिन अगेन महाराजा वीर विक्रम किशोर माणिक्य की तुलना अगर हम हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी कंटेम्प्रेरी राजाओं से करें, तो मैं कहता हूँ, मैं इतिहास का छात्र हूँ, पूरे दावे के साथ अपनी बातों को रखने की हिम्मत रखता हूँ कि त्रिपुरा का जो महाराजा वीर विक्रम की जो दूरदर्शिता है, हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी महाराजाओं से कहीं अधिक रही है. सपना देखना, इमेजिनेशन करना, इमेजिनेशन को ट्रांसलेट करने की कल्पना हमारे महाराजा वीर विक्रम किशोर माणिक्य में थी. और उनके अगर आप कार्यकाल के उनके इतिहास को अगर आप देखें, तो एक राजा की जो कल्पना होती है वह एक विलासी राजा की होती है. उसकी समृद्धि और उसके जो शौहरत, उसका जो रहन सहन, उसकी जो मेटेरियलिस्टिक जो अप्रोच होते हैं, राजा की अधिकांश गरिमा उसके आगे पीछे चलती है. लेकिन त्रिपुरा एक छोटा सा राज, जिसकी कोई रिवेन्यू नहीं, जिसकी एक लिमिटेशन है. इट इज ए लैंडलॉक स्टेट. A king from landlocked state thinks about so many things which the kings of other state has never imagined. कल्पना करते हैं विश्व हो रहा है. The world, the India is going for the war, Second World War. At that time you remember the king of Tripura is dreaming कि देश की आजादी तभी संभव है जब देश के जवान, हमारे युवक एजुकेटेड हों. Without education, without awareness, that core value of nationalism, जब हम राष्ट्रवाद की कल्पना करते हैं, राष्ट्रवाद की जो सीड है हमारी आइडिया, हमारी इनोवेशन में आती है और शिक्षा की पूरी व्यवस्था में जन्म लेती है. और यह राजा सपना देखता है विद्यापत्तन की. एक विद्यापत्तन स्कीम at the time of the First World War he imagined, he dreamed, वह सपना देखता है कि त्रिपुरा, how Tripura can transform the map of the whole India, which India is going for the freedom struggle of India. और इस विद्यापत्तन के कंसेप्ट को अगर आप देखें, तो राजाओं की कल्पना की बात मैं करता हूं कि राजा 1937 में कल्पना करता है कि त्रिपुरा में एक ऐसी शिक्षा व्यवस्था हो, वह शिक्षा व्यवस्था न केवल ज्ञान दे, बल्कि उस शिक्षा व्यवस्था में यहाँ की सांस्कृतिक विरासत, हमारी सांस्कृतिक विरासत, मुराद सिंह साहब ने कहा, उन्होंने इस गाना के जरिए आप लोगों के सामने रखा कि हमारी जो फोक लिटरेचर है, हमारी जो इंडिजिनस सॉन्ग है, वहाँ की परंपराएं हैं, वहाँ की जो कस्टम है, उस कस्टम में है. जब तक हम उसको अपने यूनिवर्सिटी में इनकॉर्पोरेट नहीं करेंगे, तो मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि जो हमारी पूरी परंपरा, हमारी पूरी सांस्कृतिक चेतना, आज हम सांस्कृतिक आदान प्रदान की बात करते हैं, हमारी सांस्कृतिक धरोहर जो गांव में पड़ी हुई है, अगर वह एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन का पार्ट ना बने, तो मैं समझता हूं कि हमारी सांस्कृतिक पूरी यात्रा जो है अधूरी रह जाएगी. और वह सपना था महाराजा वीर विक्रम का कि हम पूरा हिंदुस्तान, कभी हम सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं, ऑक्सफोर्ड की बात करते हैं, उस समय 1937 में महाराजा वीर विक्रम रूरल यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करता है। It was unique in the dimension of educational expansion, which no king of that time has dreamed, so far I understand. But that was the dream. By making rural university does not mean the teaching of rural, no, not at all. How the incorporation? Chandrakant ji कह रहे थे, he was expressing the pain. This is not becoming the syllabus of the university. When you talk about unity, when you talk about integration, when you talk about India, it's Sarvashrestha Bharat. How you can imagine Sarvashrestha Bharat when you cannot integrate the ethos of the people we have in the village to the people who are living in the town. Make the urban and rural divide together. If that is not possible with your educational ethos, I think any kind of slogan, any kind of idea, any kind of a speech that you speak on the floor of education, I think that will not serve its purpose. And here lies the pain of Chandrakant Morasi, who is a poet. एक ऐसा poet, you know, जिन्होंने यहाँ की जनजातियों की आवाज दी है, आवाज को कविता के जरिए उन्होंने हिंदुस्तान के साहित्यिक लोगों के बीच में लाया। हिंदुस्तान आज गर्व नहीं करता है, लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ कि we being the Tripura people, we feel proud that we have such kind of people with us on the occasion of 6th Foundation Day. Mr. Chandrakant Morasi, who has given the voice of the indigenous community to the horizon of Indian literature. ये कम मामूली बात नहीं है। कविताओं के जरिए उन्होंने आज ओरल ट्रेडिशन, ओरल लिटरेचर के जरिए यहाँ की बातों को लोगों को समझा रहे हैं। Here lies the role of educational institution. मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूँ चंद्रकांत जी की जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं वक़्त तो यहाँ पर चालू होगी ही। और अगर इस ओरल ट्रेडिशन और ओरल लिटरेचर की आपने चर्चा की, मेरी भी वही पीड़ा है। We in the history always go for the original sources, archaeological sources. But when you go carry forward the research in history, we teachers, we faculty, and we research scholars always, you know, make our research half-hearted. We don't use the folk literature, and when we carry on the research on the cultural issues, when you take any kind of topics on cultural issues, I think the folk literature is the most richest source of information, and the folk songs, the customary practices that are prevailing in the different communities you have to encounter. And if that can be taken account, I think the kind of research we carry forward that can give the better way to understand the feeling that common people have in the village, and that is the whole effort Chandrakant ji is talking about. The whole issue that we discussed last 2 days, the cultural exchange. Now Nalanda Bihar student has come to our campus. Our student will go to Nalanda Bihar in due course of the time. But this is not the going and coming of the student. The question is that our student must have the sense, must inculcate a feeling for the people, the culture that Nalanda Bihar has given to us. The Bhojpuri song, the Maghri style of telling, many things our student could not understand. But the feeling behind the dance, the feeling behind the song, you have to understand. When you talk about Bihar, it's a state of Magdha. When you talk about Bihar, it's a state of Lalu Prasad. You will find the difference. Culture which Lalu Prasad represents is not a culture. The culture which Magad represents, that you have to understand if you understand the culture of Bihar. The Magdha kingdom, Magad kingdom, a mightiest kingdom, a kingdom which signifies unique place in the history of India, and certainly we feel proud that Bihar has Nalanda, and we have today is the best occasion. We have the Nalanda student with us. It is the right occasion where we can say this 6th foundation of MBB University is celebrating with a gala representation of that university students who have made a remarkable space in the human history, the history of India, and certainly tradition never stops. the tradition which Nalanda has set. I think it is the challenge of modern Bihar too. They have to revive that culture. Otherwise, and certainly the culture that Tripura has to cover up, which Chandrakant Ji was talking about, the indigenous folk literature. That is our, the cultural epitome, and that we have to recover, that we have to preserve. Nalanda, that was, they have to preserve, and we have to preserve that was that we have. This is the cultural strength of the two states. Yesterday we have made the program of cultural exchange. I give the message to all the students of Nalanda, Bihar. Not simply, the kind of culture that you have manifested. You have to make it more live, more vibrant, and be proud of. You belong to the state where India has boasted, India has feel proud of. We have to make that glory more wider across the whole world. I think it is not simply the glorification of one state, it is the glorification of India. Yesterday again we have celebrated, the Unity Day of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We have different feathers, we have different golden colors, we have different colors in terms of different cultures across the state. Tripura has many, the colorful cultures. Bihar has many cultures, and so is true in the different parts of India, in different states. Imagine India is such a marvelous country, having different cultural contours, and this is the right time when we make a cultural exchange program. We should start our journey in our university, how we incorporate the cultural contour in our university syllabus. More we give the space in the university program, I think that is the best way. Practice makes the man perfect. I think the Mora Singh's approach will not go only in research, but by organizing such kind of cultural program, by making the culture as a part of life, I think we can revive our culture in true sense of the term. Again, on the occasion of Foundation Day, मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि this MBB University feels that our students, despite the fact we have limitation in the university, but again, as a Vice Chancellor, I assure you, the limitation never comes in the way when you have a determination, when you have a commitment. अगर आपके सपनों में दम है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि अगर सपना रियली में सपना आप देखते हैं, तो गरीबी और मजबूरी आपके रास्ते में नहीं आ सकती। आप यह कहें कि हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है, आप यह कहें कि हमारे बाबा जो है मूर्ख हैं, ये कोई फैक्टर नहीं है। आपकी अपनी जो डिटर्मिनेशन है कि मुझे करना है तो करना है, और करना है तो पाना है। That limitation, that imbibing a peace, that is inspiration you have to develop in yourself. बहुत कुछ संभव है अगर आप इतिहास को थोड़ा सा पलट कर देखें कि बहुत बड़े लोग, बहुत अमीर लोग नहीं बने हैं और बहुत समृद्ध लोग नहीं बने हैं। हर अच्छे लोगों को कठिनाई और संघर्षों से आगे बढ़ के ही बड़े लोग बने हैं, और उस संघर्षों के जरिए मैं समझता हूँ कि एमबीबी यूनिवर्सिटी एक नई यूनिवर्सिटी है। हमारी चुनौती है that we will overcome, but your dream should not be compromised. Again, I remember you, the idea, the imagination and the innovation. If that is my motto, if that is my dream, I think no kind of compromise should be made on the determination, the dream that you have set for. अगर हमने सपना देखा है तो उसे पूरा करेंगे। आप लोगों का सपना साकार हो, चाहे वह सपना जैसा भी हो। अगर आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं, मास्टर बनना चाहते हैं, मन की सारी मुराद पूरी होगी अगर आपने इस आइडिया को, अगर आप सपना में तब तब्दील करें और इनोवेशन के जरिए उस सपना को पूरा करेंगे। एमबीबी यूनिवर्सिटी विश्वास दिलाता है आपके सपनों के साथ है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
धन्यवाद सर।